Welcome to Keto Health 101. On the Chrono Diet, you just follow the rule of combining foods and eating carbohydrates plus proteins for the whole day. You must not miss your meals. It is important to eat 3 meals a day, and they should be approximately 5 hours apart to regulate blood sugar and insulin levels in the body. With the Chrono Diet, the recommended training is a combination of fast and slow walking. Exercise in the morning or during the day, not at night. Do not skip meals, especially supper, which is often avoided on other diets. Foods to avoid when you reach your target weight are milk, sugar, white flour, and yogurt, which often contain starch. The Chrono Diet quickly became popular because it does not take into account the number of calories consumed. You will lose weight gradually, and your pounds won't return if you continue to follow the easy rules of the Chrono Diet. Here's the Chrono Diet menu plan you can follow. In the breakfast, you must avoid wheat and corn. Eat carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Allowed flour are barley, rye, buckwheat, oats, and bacon, but preferably without additives. Eat sweets, even fruits, only in the afternoon, between lunch and dinner, not in the morning. The best option is dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and dried fruits such as figs or plums. For the Chrono Diet lunch, you should eat more proteins such as beef and lamb, but not carbohydrates and bread. If you eat carbohydrates, eat them with vegetables. Also, eat more fresh vegetables in the form of salads. For Chrono Diet supper, eat lighter proteins such as chicken breast or fish. You can eat salads and cheese, but this only happens when you exit the weight loss phase. For dinner, mix in only white or green vegetables. And if you need to lose more weight, in the Chrono Diet period, completely avoid snacks, including fruits, due to sugar. Also, temporarily avoid eating all starchy vegetables and carbohydrates at lunch. Following this diet plan will make your weight loss journey a smooth and easier path. And that's it for today's video about losing weight with Chrono Nutrition Diet Plan. Make sure to check out other videos on our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting health videos, check out our channel. We share healthy videos on our channel that can help you maintain your health and body. To show your support, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We need your support.